go.
Good afternoon, America. My name is Herbie James, 27 years old male from Baytown, Texas. I am coming to you guys today because I need your help, America. I am doing this thing called a social experiment for a lap band surgery because my insurance company denied me for a lap band surgery, United Healthcare. So tell me, what's the purpose of having healthcare if they don't want to pay for nothing? America, look at me. Don't you guys think I need to lose some weight? Obviously, my insurance company don't think so. I'm 400 pounds now. So I think that's well overqualified for it. So I need you guys to help me achieve my goal. I'm asking you guys for $1 piece, America. $1. If you would like to help me achieve that goal of giving me $1, if you have a PayPal account, you could look for HerbieJames@yahoo.com. That's HerbieJames@yahoo.com. So you who have PayPal account for a quarter, $1. Help me out, America. So if you don't have that, you could send me a money order or a check at Post Box 395, Baytown, Texas 77522. So help me out, America. Help me achieve my goal. Thank you. Bye.